What does my voice sound like if I talk?
Look at your hair.
I want to know. Bitches.
I'm evil.
I'm evil.
Why does your head look like a circle?
Because I'm a circle. Wait, go up.
Nobody wants to see your throat.